Hi, today I am going to talk about a customized tool to reconcile GSTR2 to GSTR2A data downloaded from your GST portal. Most of us don't have a clue how to reconcile GSTR2, that is purchase entries in Tally, to whatever your supplier has uploaded in the GST network. Some of you may have tried using Excel, but it is very complex. So we have decided to make a utility to do this work effortless. First, I have downloaded GSTR2A in JSON format from my GST portal and kept it in a folder in my PC. I'm just showing you where I have kept the folder data. You can also see the JSON files for the various months. We have provided a new menu under Display Statutory Reports GST. You can see GSTR2 to GSTR2A reconciliation, which is a new menu through customization. First, you need to set up the period, path for JSON files, and select appropriate JSON files for the corresponding months. On accepting, this will load JSON files into Tally and give you the dashboard. This is not importing any files or any data into Tally. It is just opening the data which is available in JSON format. You can find GSTR2 data as per Tally and as per GST portal. Summary report also provided number of voucher matched, mismatched details like how many entries are there only in Tally, how many are there only in portal, etc. You can drill down to get more information about it. Press escape to go back to further menus. You can see party-wise summary. Drill down, you can see how many entries are there in total, how many are matched, how many are mismatched. These informations are available. You can also drill down and get further details on Tally. We have also given an option to automatically reconcile the data by correcting purchase bill number, date, etc. Your supplier would have changed the bill number, date, etc. after he has issued the invoice, thereby leading to mismatches. These errors can be rectified from your Tally to match as per what is available in the portal. Some of these entries are available only in portal, which is not there in Tally. We may need to make those entries in Tally by manual. What is shown in the top, it is what is available only in portal. In this example, you can see the data which is uploaded by the party. The invoice number he has changed after he has issued an invoice to us. The invoice which he has issued to us was in this format with showing the years, but what he has uploaded did not have that information. Simply by pressing enter, these mismatches will get corrected automatically. To purchase this customization, contact details are given along with this video. Thank you for watching.